whether you want to pave tiles, install photos, doors, windows, or furniture carpentry, hang wallpaper, or find horizontal and vertical lines on the ceiling and floor to decorate your house, RockSeed Laser Level would be a great choice for you. The line laser is efficient, convenient, and easy to operate, devoted to making your life easy and simpler. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. For hanging wallpaper. Pasting wall stickers, since it is laser irradiation, it can be finished beautifully without leaving the dirt of the line attachment like a conventional leveler. And after pasting, the line under the wallpaper will not be seen through. Number 2. Smart Tilt Mode. When the switch is in the locked position, press the button on the top of the tool for more than 3 seconds to open the tilt mode. You can use a fixed crosshair at any angle. Number 3. For installing mirrors, shelves, and frames, with a single switch, horizontal and vertical cross lines appear simultaneously, making it possible to greatly reduce the time loss associated with conventional horizontal alignment. Number 4. For attachment of shelves, horizontal and vertical cross lines appear simultaneously, making it possible to greatly reduce the time loss associated with conventional horizontal alignment. It is very convenient for furniture installation and decoration to wall surfaces such as shelves. It is the beginning of professional life like DIY. Number 5. Dual modes and self-leveling. The cross-line laser with slide switch enable you to set 2 modes, self-leveling mode and manual mode. When working in a self-leveling mode, the range of leveling and compensation is 4 degrees plus 1 degree, and the laser level will automatically level for horizontal, vertical, cross-line, otherwise. The laser will flash to indicate the out-of-level condition. In manual mode, the self-leveling function is deactivated and the cross is locked to use the device at any angle. Number 6. High visibility and accuracy. The powerful cross-line laser easily projects a red cross line at a wide angle of 110 degrees to assist your leveling jobs, bright and clear, with high accuracy of plus an eighth of an inch at 30 feet. The line laser enjoys lower energy consumption and longer battery lifespan, ideal for paving tiles, installing photo, door, window, or furniture carpentry, hanging wallpaper, etc. Number 7. High protection grade. The line laser reaches IP54 protection grade. The durable and high-quality shockproof enclosure provides 4 feet collision protection. It's compact and lightweight for easy gripping, but large enough to sit stably. Ideal for construction site work. Number 8. Flexible mounting design. The laser level can be mounted onto a tripod or affixed to the most metal surface by using the magnetic bracket, enabling you to turn the laser level around at 360 degrees. Project lines in any position or angle, or adjust the height from the tripod. Number 9. 1-year warranty and excellent after-sales service. RockSeed not only focuses on the design and development of the line level laser, but also ensures the quality and performance of the products. Every laser level covers a 2-year warranty. For any product questions, don't hesitate to contact us. In addition, the package includes 1 laser level tool, 1 canvas carry case, 2 AA batteries, 1 instruction manual, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.